In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Amazon shopping currency. By the end, you'll know how to switch the Amazon region so prices show in the currency that matches where you shop. Start by opening your web browser and going to w.amazon.com. You don't have to be signed in to view the setting, but being logged into your account helps Amazon remember your choice across visits. Give the page a moment to load so all the menus appear. Now look to the very top right of the page. You'll see Account and Lists. Right beside it, there's a small drop-down icon that opens a menu with site preferences. Click that drop-down. If you notice options related to language or a country flag here, you're in the right spot. This is where Amazon keeps the settings that control which regional site you use, and that choice determines the currency you'll see while shopping. In the menu that opens, click Change Country/Region. This is the key option. Selecting it doesn't change your account or your orders. It simply tells Amazon which regional storefront you want to browse. That storefront sets the currency and can also affect which products, shipping options, and promotions are shown to you. Next, choose your preferred country or region website. Pick the one that matches where you typically ship items or where your payment method is based. For example, if you choose a European storefront, prices will appear in that country's local currency. Once you make your selection, Amazon will switch you to the appropriate site, and you should see prices update accordingly. If the site looks a bit different, that's normal. Each regional storefront has its own layout variations, but your account credentials still work the same across regions. A few helpful tips as you finish up. If prices don't immediately reflect the new currency, refresh the page or go back to the home page to load the updated storefront. Keep in mind that your cart is specific to each regional site, so items you added in one region may not carry over to another. Also, some benefits and shipping options vary by region, and taxes, import fees, and delivery times can change when you switch storefronts. If you plan to buy from a different region, double-check product availability, shipping eligibility to your address, and the final total at checkout. That's it. You've changed your Amazon shopping currency by selecting the country or region that fits your needs. Enjoy clearer pricing, and shop with confidence knowing you're viewing items in the currency that makes sense for you.